Introducing the LG oil-free inverter centrifugal chiller, powered by the new refrigerant, delivering high efficiency and a sustainable future. This oil-free chiller offers enhanced durability with its low-maintenance design, eliminating the need for oil-dependent components. With the incorporation of advanced magnetic bearing adjustment technology, the chiller precisely adjusts the rotor position every 0.5 milliseconds. The efficiency has been improved 4.5% due to reduced mechanical friction loss. The high-efficiency impeller adheres to international standards with reduced leakage and minimal noise levels. All core components in LG chillers, including compressors, bearings, inverters, and heat exchangers, are designed, developed, and manufactured by LG. For up to 20 minutes, the online UPS system safeguards the power supply during power outages. The fast recovery technology then restores the system to previous operation in just 70 seconds, maximizing efficiency. This exceptional efficiency is achieved with an impressive IPLV of 12.1. The new refrigerant delivers high efficiency and reinforces our commitment to environmental responsibility. With unique independent cooling distribution, refrigerant charge decreases by 25%. Furthermore, the upgraded interface features a user-friendly 15-inch display for intuitive control and operation. For ultimate convenience, the Beacon Cloud Remote Control provides wireless monitoring and AI-powered firmware upgrades, reaching peak performance. Experience the innovation of the LG oil-free inverter centrifugal chiller.